washer. Got it. Oh, wrong washer. Oh, dang it. Okay, I found me a washer. Get down here and put this bad boy together. Couldn't find any pinch nuts, but I did find two nylocks, which are just as good. They don't last as long, but they're pretty good. Nylocks, by the way, if you don't know, they're kind of like a cross between a pinch nut and a nylon restrictor, and it simply allows the nut to resist backing out. So it's essentially a lock nut. And I'm going to leave off the lock washers because I don't need them. Okay, it looks like I'll have plenty of thread left to play with. I'd like to torque this down as far as I can. And that was my problem last time. I didn't realize that I was running out of thread. And when I was pulling the thing down. It wasn't too tight. It was just twisting that mild steel bolt, and I just basically winged it right off there. Oh yeah, just drawing it down really nice. I was lucky I found this piece of scrap. Excellent, nice and tight. Keeps everything geometrically straight. This way, when I pull this up, it won't torque. See, that's what happened the last time it torqued. And because it torqued, this bolt became loose and it started spinning. And as the tractor vibrated, it back naturally. They always back out. They never back in. It started backing out, and it was hanging by two threads. And the whole thing was cocked a little bit. And when I took the tarp off this morning to get this to gas it up, I saw that the stupid nut was almost off there. But anyway, it's on there. Everything's nice and tight. It shouldn't go anyplace. And my mission is successful. Oh, by the way, I just found the washer that I lost. I carry these things in my pocket all the time. I'm always looking on the ground. I always find washers on the ground. Washers, nuts, and bolts. I always scrounge fasteners. A good washer, one that you can use, is sometimes worth $10. You'd give $10 for a washer. But anyway, that's my stupid project that well, it's not stupid. It was a see, these parts are all newly put on there, and they haven't had a time to really settle in, so they're subject to being loosened up. But anyway, I got the problem fixed, and we'll go on to the next headache. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day.